Hi friends, in today's video we shall see how to share your Google Sheet and also how to protect the editing. First of all, if you see on your sheet on the right hand side here, right now it is private to only me. If you wish to share, you can click on this and you will have a pop-up wherein you can type the email address of the person to whom you wish to send this Google Sheet. So here I will type an email ID and you can choose the kind of role you want to give them, either only a viewer or a commenter or an editor. So in this case, I'm selecting the editor and here I'm selecting checking the box here to notify. So what will happen is a mail will be sent to that person to whom you have shared once you have clicked the send button. So now I'm sending this. I will open another tab and here I will select the person to whom it has been sent. And if I view in his Gmail, you see here the mail has come, an untitled form invitation to edit. If I click here, it will come something like this. You can open it here, open in Sheets. And that sheet will open. So right now what is happening is this sheet is not protected in any way. So the person, you are the owner. The person who is sending or the creator or one who has created is the owner of the sheet. But since we have not protected the sheet, the other person or the people to whom you have shared, you can share it to multiple people at the same time. So what will happen is the other people also can edit. For example, here I can delete this. So it will be deleted in my sheet also here. So how do I protect this? First of all, I'll undo this action. I'll go back to the main sheet where this email ID is the owner, and then which sheet you are referring to, on the bottom end of your screen you have the name of the sheets, form responses 1, sheet 2. So the sheet that you're referring to, take the cursor there and right click. When you right click, you'll have a pop-up of options, and one of the options is protect sheet. We click on the protect sheet, and on the right hand side you'll have a description here. You can enter a description if you want, what kind of protection you are giving. And here you have the option of accept certain cells. Now if you want the person to whom you have sent to edit only one column or one cell or one row, what you have to do is click on this checkbox and immediately you'll have an option here to select which column that person can edit. Click on these 4 squares here and then you'll get the highlight. Then select the whole column where you want the editing to be done, and rest of the sheet will be protected. Then you click OK and then set permissions. Remember to click on set permissions. Right now you see here these 2 people here can edit it. So we want to restrict it only to you or only to one person. So what you'll do is click only you, who is the owner, and then done. So the changes will be saved. Now what I'll do is I'll go here and change the person who is editing it. Earlier it was under the same name. So now you see the icon here on the right hand side on top is changed. It's a different person viewing this. So what I'll do is I'll say OK and I will try to edit. I try to delete this. It's still working. You see immediately a pop-up message will come. There was a problem. You are trying to edit a protected cell or object. Please contact the spreadsheet owner to remove protection if you need to edit. Okay. Now the right for me was given to edit only in I column, if you can remember. So here if I say delete, see it will go. I can write any other option also. Right now I'll undo this. Again, in J column, if I want to write something, it will not take. It will immediately give this error message that you can't edit. So this way you can protect your sheet, any cell or any column, any row, and then share it to the people to whom you want to share it. And the data that you want protected will remain intact, and you don't have to worry about your data being lost. Thank you, friends. This is all for today's video. Do remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.